Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change the login screen background in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. Now here click on Personalization. Now click on Background. So guys, here you can change login screen like picture, solid color. You can select any color. And also you can show slide. You can change minutes from here. You can shuffle the picture order, and there are some more options. So, and also guys, you can select spotlight collection. So this way guys, you can change background login screen in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.